Tome.
Yeah.
Yesterday ba? You are off your live. It said the host will come back soon. And then it's end your live and then you end your messenger up. What are you doing? You give time to all katulpilar?
I figured you would say that. I really did. I figured you would go there.
You really did. You really did. You off your messenger, you off your live. And I cannot contact you anymore. You give your time to katulpilar?